In this video, we'll be going over how to convert your text into vector shapes in Photoshop. Converting your text to a vector shape will ensure your text comes out correctly when printed. We might not have your font that you use on hand and it may cause issues. So we ask you turn your text to vector shapes before sending your artwork to us. First, go to the text layer and right-click on it. Select the option Convert to Shape. And that is how easy it is to turn text in Photoshop to a vector shape.